Hello, my name is Neil Harris and I'm a teacher trainer and Director of Marketing at CELT, Centre for English Language Teaching in Cardiff. My session is about the listening skill, and I think it's incredibly important that we as teachers confront what for me and for many of my colleagues has been a real challenge: how to move from being the teacher who provides their students with listening practice to being the kind of teacher who provides their students with access to the skills they need to be more effective listeners. Why is this important? Because we're giving students a great skill, they'll be tested on it, but also it will enable their language acquisition. It will give you, I hope, lots of easy to implement ideas so that you can start providing this sub-skill teaching very, very soon.